Hi, I'm Bellarina Navigator.
And I'm Nik Adam.
This is our video for pair programming exercise 2. So to start off, we will first initialize Git.
So our name, now we make our first commit.
Now we are going to move into model classes and mock data. So first, we will have to make changes in the models.
Right? Yeah, so you have to make getters to use the title and the task. Yep, create getter task. Create getter title, yeah.
Okay. And then we will come back to this later. And we will make for the task which is completed. So now we will have to create a mock data. Now we have to save this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are going to work on the to-do list screen, right?
Yeah.
So we will work on the to-do list screen. Right.
So first we have this. So let's work on the body first.
Alright, so let's work on the body first. Okay, so we have the
yeah.
to-do title. I think we should run this first, right?
Alright.
Yeah. I think the first thing we have to do is we have to change this into a stateful widget, right? Right? Yeah, so
Because it will have to set state once it updates on
Yeah.
the changes in the task.
exactly. Data is being, we have a variable that refers to the to-do list variable
In the mock
in the
data.
mock data class, right?
In order to
Then-
pass it to the body.
Yeah, so this will be done using parameter passing, and then see this in the body class we will have a constructor, right? We will create a constructor to receive the data from the to-do list. So you want to count how many tasks it has, right? Does that mean that we have to add it in the class as well?
What?
Count?
Oh yes. So in the class, yeah, we will have to create a method to calculate the percentage. Oh yeah, we have to do like a count first.
That was the count first, right?
Yeah. We get the number of tasks in each to-do object.
Right.
Yep. And then we will have to calculate the percentage for the completion.
Right. Okay. So how would this work?
Let's call it because it will return an integer. So let's
Yeah, so so we define it as an integer. We'll call it percentage tracker.
Yeah, sure.
Percentage.
Okay, so now we can get it in the body for the circle avatar.
After, okay.
It might be because of the mock data.
Let's check the mock data. So what's wrong with it? Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. I think.
Oh, we didn't add it into the list.
Right. Okay.
Save. And save the body. Okay, now let's try hot. Yeah. Maybe we should try adding.
Oh, yeah, okay. It works fine now.
Alright.
Yeah, I think it's fine so far right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we can.
commit. We're going to switch drivers.
Yep.
So next we will be building the second screen, which is the, what do you call this? The task list.
Yeah.
The task list. So first we will need to have but we need to pass data from this first screen to the task screen.
Yeah.
So I have no idea what that's gonna look like. If we wouldn't be able to pass the data now. So
You just want to build it first.
yeah, sure.
You just build it first and see how it looks like. Maybe you should. You want to add the on-tap function in the to-do list first, so that you type.
Maybe we should work on navigation first.
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah. Let me see. Navigation is actually towards the last. I think we build the first two screens first, and then we do the navigation later.
But we will be able to show data here.
Right.
We won't be able to see if we did it right or wrong.
Okay, fine. Then maybe we can do the navigation part only from the to-do list to the task list.
Okay, sure. So first in the to-do list, it will go to body.
From the body, there's the on-tap, right, for each of the list tiles.
Yeah.
So
Alright,
on the
so
on-tap,
on the
yeah.
on-tap.
Let's make a simple navigation route for now.
Okay. In the body, we will be, we have to change this to
Stateful vision, yeah.
widget. So, first, we will have to get the task list length.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's because of this.
I don't think it was the tab. Okay,
Oh,
okay, let's go.
Okay, but it all striped. So let's
Because the line decoration is through.
Oh, okay, so we need to implement it.
I don't think you have to make a class. I think all you have to do is call the widget data. Call the widget data. It should work. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, right.
So this is an if statement, which this is the condition. If it is true, then it will be a line through. If it's not true, then it will be no line through. That's basically it.
Okay, so I think the UI is done. So I think moving forward, we have to go to bar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
In bar, we have to see that this is a task list of. Okay, so we have to change something here. Passing the title. Okay, we're done with the bar, and then
Do we have to configure float for now? The floating button actually.
yeah, okay. So in float, I think this is alright, because we'll have to do this for the navigation.
Right. Okay, sure.
Oh no, we have to commit first.
Yeah, yes.
Alright, we shall switch drivers.
Okay, before we go any further, I just want to make a quick amendment.
We have to work on the update and cancel operations.
Okay. So let me go first. One here.
Yes. So when you click on the task, it would cross it.
Right.
I mean, like it would instead of when it will cross for the uncrossed and it will uncross for the crossed.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think it would be in the on tab. That's for to do for the task list body. Yes.
You know why? Because this is a task. I feel like
It is in the task.
why? Because it's a to-do object. Shouldn't it be in to-do instead?
It is not a to-do object because we're referring to the task.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oops. Let go my thing. See? Because it's still a to-do object.
Okay, maybe we should pass the list instead for the to-do object. So maybe we can go back to to-do list. It's not done.
I click on second one, whatever.
Okay, it's probably because you write this wrong.
Right. Okay.
Equals to not complete. Yes.
We will now implement the removal of a task. If we click on the prototype, yeah, see now it works. I think we can try to do the cancel functionality to the flow, right? Okay.
Okay, now let's navigate pop first and see if it goes back to the page.
And here, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we have to create a class. Let's call it navigate or something. Since cancel, we didn't want to do any changes there, so I think it's better to send a copy.
Right,
instead.
definitely.
Okay, so what happens when you pop is that we will set state,
Right.
right? So we will have to use if statement
Down here.
after the pushes.
The to-do list, right? So then it will go to the task list screen.
Okay, let's go to task list screen, and then we pass a copy of the object.
Right.
So we need to create because this is like a shallow copy. So what if we did not create another copy? It would reflect to the original object.
Okay.
So we will have to create a list because we'll be passing list to the body. So we have to create a list.
Right.
I think we can try the cancel button first. So
Are you sure? What about the float? I think that has something to do with the float as well.
oh yeah, then context null. Is it? Yeah. I think you have to put context comma null because there will be an error.
Context, comma now. Okay.
Context comma null. Okay, let's try. Pause and delete something. Okay, press cancel.
Okay,
Alright,
great
it
work.
works.
Cool.
Okay, now let's work on the update. So if it changes, I think we can just here use the navigator plot.
It has to be an object, right? So
Oh yeah, it has to be an object, and we only updated the list, so we have to update the list in the original object. So
yeah,
so we can try
I think we have to go back to the task list screen. We have to pass a few
we
parameters,
have
right?
to pass the original object as well as the updated list. So
Right. We have to loop this multiple times, right? So we will this task.
yeah, we have to create an empty list,
Yup.
and then we have to add it in the list.
So
So for loop again.
okay. Okay,
Okay,
cool.
let's try the update.
Okay, so let's just remove this and do that.
Okay, update. Okay, updated there. So when you press it, let's see this. Okay, nice. Alright.
And just one more time, please. Checking it out. Alright, cool. It works.
Okay, now we have to comment.
I think everything works, right? That's
Yeah.
pretty much it, right? Pretty much it for our video. I think we have for Danny. Yeah, so now we are going to go through the upcoming walkthrough. So all we have to do. So first we have to show you the git logs. Okay, as you can see here from our first, this is our first commit, which is just putting in the pipeline information. Then we implemented the model classes and model data. And then we built the to-do list screen and its body, and we built the task list screen and its bar, body and floating action buttons. And then the final thing we committed was the implementation of navigation and data passing between screens, as well as implemented the update and cancel operations. So the complete application looks something like this. So let's just say you have a list of tasks and you want to strike through it. Because you completed it, if you click on update, it will update the percentage of tasks completed on the side here. But if you, for example, want to delete the task, and you click on update, as you can see here, it will also update the number of tasks in the subtitle. But let's just say you don't want to do anything, you don't want to change. Let's just say you realize that you do not want to make any changes in your task list. You can click on cancel, and none of the changes will be saved in the application. Yep, that is it for our pair programming video.